tell you a little bit about the Drone Command from yesterday. I decided to join the Drone Command to have a better knowledge of the drones and use them in my business. So the biggest takeaway I had from day one was the marketing side. Marketing is a huge, and I didn't realize how huge or how important it was until listening to Diego yesterday and everything that he discussed about marketing and how it pertains to what you can do and what you can't do with your business. So that was very interesting for me. It was great attending the virtually. It saved some time about traveling, and it also helped with the business. They don't have to go very far to be here to do that. And for somebody that was sitting on the fence about coming to the Drone Command Live, I was until I decided, okay, let's go ahead and do this. And so I stepped out there, and I'm glad I did. From what he showed us yesterday with the different aircraft and the different types and some of the rules and regulations we went over yesterday, it's a valuable lesson that I wouldn't have never learned without just reading a book. You'd have never got it. And if you're sitting out there and you're wondering whether or not you should attend, I can tell you 100% that you need to attend, because just reading a book and thinking you can do it on your own, you can't. There's so much that Damon offers, and with his expertise on the difference in the drones, you can't get that by reading a book. So it is so valuable that I would recommend for anybody to help get your business going, to attend this workshop. And hopefully Damon and Diego on day 2 have as much energy and everything as they had on day 1. Thanks.